Finance and accounts outsourcing, the best algorithm for business scalability. Hi, I'm Chanakya Shah. I'm a chartered accountant, entrepreneur, founder, and CEO of my outfit, Holistic Business Consulting. I have 15 years of professional experience and have serviced more than 500 diverse clientele. Are you a business owner, entrepreneur in SME sector, engaged in manufacturing, trading, or services, and anxious to achieve profit maximization, cost optimization with total peace of mind, but still struggling with recurring and disgusting pains like delayed monthly report, inaccurate and late tax filing, hiring, training, and staff retention issues, lack of supervision to complete books on time, working for 50 plus hours per week? Finance and accounts outsourcing is a feasible and viable solution for many operational issues. What is outsourcing? Outsourcing connotes the practice of having a certain function done outside a company through a third-party service provider instead of having an in-house department or employee. If you scan the environment, you will find volatility of business has thrown a fresh set of challenges. Adoption of technology and automation with speed has become a success formula for any business to move on fast growth trajectory. Business owners concentrate on their core functions which revolve around revenue earning for the business. Non-core functions are outside the primary business function. Still they have and they reflect a substantial part of health of business. They account for significant portion of the business expenses and include bookkeeping, accounting, payroll, financial management, financial statement, cash flow management. Business owners focus on their core functions and entrust non-core functions to the professionals who have specialized domain knowledge, relevant professional experience, requisite skill sets, and requisite infrastructure. Under finance and accounts outsourcing model, companies can generate better revenue and gain competitive advantage. Now let me tell you what are the primary reasons for finance and accounts outsourcing. Number 1, cost efficiency. You will pay for only work actively done. There are no recruitment costs, infrastructure expenses, training expenses, other staff benefits, overheads, and other operation costs. Second, no last minute audit shocks. Business owners help to provide financial statements to the bank, satisfy investor review, and share information with regulatory authorities in time. Number 3, avoiding tax penalties. Tax returns are submitted in time. Hassle-free and accurate tax calculations as well as return filing is done. Number 4, saves processing time. Companies can focus on core competencies. Outsource experts and professionals will handle the process in less time and in a more efficient way. Number 5, expert professional team. Unlike in-house bookkeeper, a team of experts do check and double check to ensure that you receive efficient quality service. Finance and accounts outsourcing enables companies to reap multiple benefits. The notable benefits are helps faster, stronger, and sustainable growth, no loss of prospect and new clients owing to lack of time, expenses incurred only for active work done, cutting the overheads, absorbs shocks of sudden staff attrition, empowers you to introduce new services to clients, thus work less and earn more. How relevant is prominent management consultant Peter Drucker when he says, Do what you do best and outsource the rest. Lee Kuan Yew, former Prime Minister of Singapore, also endorses this view. And he says, if you deprive yourself of outsourcing and competitors do not, you are pulling yourself out of business. Isn't finance and accounts outsourcing the best algorithm for scalability of your business? I hope this video was helpful to you. If you would like to outsource your finance and accounts, do contact us for a consultation session. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you never miss out on any videos. Thanks again for watching.